Campers, today is 2 Mod Tuesday. I'm going to be installing a digital voltmeter so that I can monitor system voltage all the time. I'm also going to be adding a small LED side lit bolt to illuminate my starter button anytime I turn the ignition on. First part is to install the voltmeter. First step is to decide where you want to put your meter. I've chosen here. I'm going to be getting power from my cigarette lighter, which is switched. I know that I have enough wire to go from here to here. Next thing I'm going to do is mark and drill all of my holes. So I started the screw holes for the mounting plate just by pushing on the screw. This is a fairly soft rubber dashboard, and I used a step drill to drill this opening. I've decided just for guaranteed strength or whatever that I'm going to put the meter through here, and then the back nut that comes with this I'm going to put on from the back. I've mounted the meter in the dash. Like I said, I used the back nut that holds the meter in the panel. I put it behind the dash, so I'm not only is the meter held in by the screws, but it's held in by the back nut on the other side. All that's left is to route the wires over to this side of the dash, and I'll connect those up when I install my little dash light for the starter button. To avoid splicing wires and crimping and shrinking, what I'm using is piggyback spade lug terminals. I will have 3 connected to the positive. One of those is a wire going to a relay I use for another accessory. And then I have the LED dash light and my meter hooked into the same lug. And then the last will be 12 volts coming in to power the cigarette lighter. I'll do the same thing on the ground side. The spade lugs that I'm using are the ones that came with my digital voltmeter. If you only do the LED, then you'll need to find a small spade lug that will work for just your LED. In combination with my new LED light for my starter button, I've wired the voltmeter to the back of the cigarette lighter plug. This gives me voltage only when the ignition is on. That finishes the installation of the digital voltmeter. It only operates when the ignition is on. That finishes 2 Mod Tuesday. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.